What if I told you the next big luxury addresses of Gurgaon is not being built for everyone? This is M3M Ali Saab, Sector 111 on Dwarka Expressway. One of NCR's fastest transforming luxury corridors. And what makes this micro market extremely powerful is connectivity. You're just minutes away from Delhi, close to Diplomatic Enclave to IGI Airport, international convention zones, and some of the biggest upcoming infrastructure developments in Gurgaon.
And this project is located inside Gurgaon's upcoming Billionaires Block.
Most luxury projects are trying to look expensive, but very few feels international.
And honestly, this feels less like real estate and more like a fashion brand coming into architecture.
We are inside the sales gallery. The moment you enter the space, you notice how calm and intentional everything feels. The lighting is soft, the textures feel rich but not overpowering. The curves, the gold accents, and the marble finishes. Everything carries that signature Elie Saab elegance.
Now let's talk about the land parcel. M3M Ali Saab is spread across approximately 5 acres in 175 acres billionaire block out of 250 acres land parcel of SCDA complex. There are three sizes of 4.5 BHK plus utility. One is 4205 square feet, second is 4520 square feet, and third is 4655 square feet.
And the current effective pricing is 14.19 CR onwards.
And the interesting part, you can book inventory with around 51 lakhs right now. You can actually feel the fashion influence in the interiors. The space feels styled like a luxury couture lounge rather than a real estate experiencing. And what makes it even more interesting is the detailing. Imported marble flooring, statement ceilings, curated furniture pieces, warm metallic tones, designer textures, soft, neutral palettes balanced with bold luxury accents. Nothing here feels random, and that's where this collaboration becomes powerful. MGM brings the vision and scale of Gurgaon luxury real estate, while Elisa brings timeless sophistication and international design language. Now imagine this. If this much effort is going into a temporary sales gallery, what will the actual residences feel like? And with almost 12 feet ceiling heights, oversized luxury proportions, and a design language inspired by Elie Saab's couture philosophy, even the sales gallery give you that feeling.
And if we talk about the payment plan is very flexible and very amazing for the investors also.
Locking period is after first payment of the payment plan, and first transfer is going to be free. You You have a luxury clubhouse experience with wellness parks, yoga studios, boxing zones, sports arenas, even therapeutic gardens and sky gardens. And honestly, this level of amenity planning is something we usually see more in Dubai or branded residences globally. But what truly separates this project is the concierge experience. Now, here's why Ultra HNI buyers are paying attention to this project.
Only 336 residences and 3 towers located inside Gurgaon's upcoming Billionaires Block.
Which means the real luxury here is not the apartment, it's the exclusivity. If you understand where Gurgaon luxury is heading over 5 to 10 years, this project deserves your attention. Hi, this is Shivani, and this is Swastik Srivastava from Apostrophe. And if you want private inventory access,
Or detailed investment consultation.
please contact us.